So now, friends, look at Noah. What color do you have to have now? Yellow.
Because we use games to develop multiple skills at once, our students are able to problem solve, communicate, and interact through play. When they are playing, they're using their imagination. They're using skills that they're going to need for the rest of their life to be successful.
All right, if you don't know these games, I want to explain them. If someone in your group has already played them, then they are a great tool for you to use.
Today we started in a circle. I explain each game with the students, make sure that they don't have any questions.
You did a good job. Nice try.
When I'm choosing the games, I look at something that gives me an opportunity to see them grow as an individual and be able to work together through something different than just an academic activity.
Let's see, Hattie, what choice would you like to make? Uno, go ahead, girly.
So I give them choice of where they would like to go. And then that's when I start to walk around the classroom to observe what they are doing and how they are interacting with each other.
Ooh, now you can pick anything. You can swap codes.
Are they able to actually play a game? Are they able to take turns? Are they able to listen to each other? Are they able to have a conversation?
Do they have a bun? No.
If someone doesn't win, are they able to understand that? If someone doesn't understand the game, will they communicate with each other? But I'm also looking for just in the social aspect of, can you be a team player?
You stacked it up. You gotta do this and go.
Today, not one student asked me to solve a problem for them. They actually were working together and were able to solve the problems on their own.
No.